So I came up with something, guys. If you live in Milwaukee, because I'm not buying traffic worldwide no more like that. I'm gonna help my state, and I advise you if you're on my team. See, I'm looking just for 10 people in Wisconsin, and if you watch this video, you out of state like that, or you different, not from Wisconsin like that, Milwaukee, Wisconsin like that. You can do the same thing for your state. You help 10 people, guys, and them 10 people help 10 people, and them 10 people help 10 people. That's why I don't want to. See, I have time now. You know what I mean to train people, the things I know and what they can do, get my marketing strategies like that. I can't help thousands because I don't got the time like that. I'm only one man. But if I help 10, it can be a duplication process like that. And they can help 10. Like, it's 4 people, guys. And teach your 4 people your strength that really, that want that. You know what I'm saying? That you giving them that. All you need is 4 guys. 10 is a good number, though, because you're gonna have slackers and stuff like that. So you get that 4, and you teach them what you know, right? So I'm looking for 4 people, guys, and I'm working on that like daily because I'm taking a few days off because I'm not working. I want to build something and share it with many people as possible. But all I'm looking for is 4 strong people, guys. Just 4, and I'm gonna even give them my number and everything like that, or her my number, whatever situation, and I'm gonna teach them everything I know, guys. And I want them to teach their people the same thing when they get their people in, because I'm gonna help them get people in. But you gotta know what I'm teaching you, so you can duplicate that. And this is for my own state, you know what I mean? Because I'm not trying to go national with this like that right now because we under this coronavirus stuff like that. I just want to help my state real quick, and I know I can do it with me going out here like that. You know, doing a lot of offline marketing. Number one, and yeah, I think I can do it. 4 people ain't nothing. But get that strong 4 to teach like that, and we build a relationship because they will become my friends also. You know what I mean? Because I'm showing what I know, and I'm giving my marketing materials. They do the same thing, and it can be 4 people, your family members, guys, and your friends like that. You know what I mean? Because 4 people is not many. You feel me? Everybody know 4 family members that they close to. Everybody know 4 friends they close to like that. So it only take 4 people, guys. And if you duplicate that like that, and there's different ways you can get paid, but you watch the video, the way I want to do it is from the Cash App like that. So it go instant to your bank account like that, so you can pay your bills. So this is going to be a very fast something I want to do for the people in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, to show them that, you lost your job. I know. There's thousands of people right now that can't pay their rent right now.